My name is Gavin Ray, I'm 18 years old, and I'm from Menlo Park, California. I started watching Feng's tutorials around a year ago, and I've watched all 68 of them so far. The first time I found one of Feng's videos on YouTube, I was blown away. And it wasn't just that Feng is a great artist, because I'd seen concept art before. It was simply that here was someone actually doing the art in front of my eyes. And I realized that it was a human making these things, not just some sort of art machine. So what you're watching now are all the sketchbooks I've kept since I watched that first video. And if you watch closely, I'm certain you'll see a noticeable difference as we go from one to the next. It's easy to get depressed looking at professional work that you just can't compare to, but it's also just as inspiring. Before Feng's videos, I didn't know anything about perspective or lighting or color palettes or anything about 3D forms in general, and ever since my drawings have improved so much because of that. I never realized that there were rules to drawing that would help me figure out where things fell in 3D space. I was always guessing at things and just drawing what was there in front of my eyes. Now it's second nature to think of things that aren't there and just draw them from my head. I mean, just the work that some of Feng's students have done a couple months into his program make me want to fill 100 sketchbooks. Sometimes I'll just be walking down the street and I'll see something and I'll be like, okay, bam, there's the horizon line, that's where all the lines are converging. Or maybe it's 2-point perspective, here's all the windows going down in one line. I will actually move my hands in front of me to the vanishing point. I think sometimes people look at me like I'm crazy. I'd like to give a huge shout out to Feng for all the work he's done and all the time he's put into making this program that has inspired so many people. I couldn't imagine a better way to help someone break into industrial design.